A component's environment may be constant or unpredictable. Clocking accuracy without compromising size or function is critical in many devices, no matter where they reside. Abracon's latest MEMS clocks produce both efficiency and reliability in a compact footprint that's ideal for industrial or consumer products. Our new series of MEMS oscillators offer low current consumption of 1.3 milliamps in a small footprint of 1.6 by 1.2 by 0.84 millimeters. With a compact size and ability to withstand intense shock and vibration under harsh conditions, these MEMS work well for military and defense devices, sports wearables, drones, and robotics. The AMJD and AMPD series also offer a frequency select pin, allowing the output to be switched between two frequencies. This feature works great for applications like audio and video, wireless charging, or for global markets that require support of two programmable frequencies. Our latest MEMS series is exactly what you need to think smaller and be stronger.